You guys are mean, why are you? You're mean. You're a mean little kid. Well, I'm gonna go down now. What?
There's a kind of screaming voice.
Oh my god! Hey dude, there's like a wasp nest.
What? Oh shit.
Oh no, I saw it.
Ah, don't move. Let me get down first.
Oh! Oh my god! Okay! We're down.
I told you. No one ever listens to me. That's a nice treehouse. Where's Gabby? Gabby, there's like a wasp nest down there. On the bottom of the treehouse.
I don't even know.
Okay, well.